Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I'm back with yet another video on how to use basics, and today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to add Japanese subtitles on your Crunchyroll application. So if you wanna learn how, then keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now in order to add Japanese subtitles on your Crunchyroll application, go ahead and tap on the Crunchyroll app first, and then you'll be appeared with the home screen of Crunchyroll app. Now go ahead and tap on account, which is in the bottom right corner. After you do that, tap on subtitles/cc language under my account, and then as you can see here, my subtitles has been in English previously. Now I wanna add Japanese subtitles to my Crunchyroll videos, so I'll go ahead and tap on the Japanese language subtitles, which is written in Japanese language itself. Then there you go, as you can see, my subtitles has already been changed. Now all my videos I will be able to see Japanese subtitles in the video. So that's how we do it. It was quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.